So it's Saturday, November 4th, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. I feel full of energy. I feel full of motivation. I feel full of determination. And I have just the right amount of energy to run and play with my child. So far, I haven't really noticed any other effects from the Amare except for my skin glowing a bit. I haven't noticed my anhedonia really start to go away, which kind of sucks, but I know that eventually I'm going to get to that point and it's going to be completely gone. And when it is finally gone, I'm just going to feel so much better. But it's a process and it is going to take some time, and I just have to be patient with it, and eventually it will go away. I will be honest though, I do have some pretty rough days just because of the anhedonia. Like, I'm not downright suicidal or anything like that. It's just I do have some pretty rough days. Because when I think about my anhedonia, it really makes me sad because it's just not something that anybody should have to live with. And as I said before, it's like you're living in a nightmare. As I'm sure you'll notice, I am lacking some expression in my face in my videos. That's because of my anhedonia. But I can still laugh. And the fact that I can still laugh at stuff tells me I don't have full-blown anhedonia. Plus, I can still enjoy food. I still like the taste of food and it still tastes good. So I'm not lacking my taste, but I do have musical anhedonia again, and I definitely do notice the effects in the shower of the hot or the cold water on my skin. I just don't feel it properly anymore, which really, really sucks. And I noticed that I don't enjoy the feeling of a warm blanket or a warm towel around my body anymore. Like, I can't enjoy it. And then there's the hug aspect. I can hug someone and I don't feel anything, and that really tugs at my heartstrings because it's just lacking all sense of comfort. And when you hug someone, that's how you should feel. You should feel a sense of comfort. I don't feel that anymore, and it really makes me sad. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.